Polymarket is a decentralized prediction market platform where users can bet on the outcomes of real-world events using cryptocurrency, specifically USDC. By accurately predicting events, users can earn profits based on the market odds. Here's how to navigate and potentially profit from Polymarket. Understanding prediction markets. Market mechanics. Each market poses a yes or no question about a future event. Users buy shares in either outcome, with prices reflecting the collective probability assigned by the market. Share pricing. Share prices range from $0 to $1. For instance, if yes shares trade at 70 cents, the market estimates a 70% chance of that outcome. Making profitable trades. Informed decisions. Conduct thorough research on events you're interested in. The more accurate your information, the better your chances of making profitable trades. Market timing. Monitor market sentiment and price movements. Buying undervalued shares early can lead to higher profits if the market shifts in your favor. Liquidity rewards. Polymarket offers a liquidity rewards program where users earn money by placing limit orders that help keep the market active and balanced. Risk management. Diversification. Avoid concentrating all your funds in a single market. Spread your investments across various events to mitigate potential losses. Stay updated. Regularly follow news and updates related to your markets to make timely decisions. Participating in liquidity provision. Liquidity rewards. By placing limit orders that contribute to market liquidity, you can earn additional rewards through Polymarket's liquidity rewards program.